Simply a gem. Popular great room and number 39, Agostino Floor Plan with 2,789 square feet of living area shows like a model. This saltwater pool and spa home sits on an oversized lot in the desirable Hampton Park community. Upon entry you are greeted by the great room with a wall of sliding glass doors leading onto the ample screened lanai and pool deck. Plenty of room for entertaining as the home flows with ease. Featuring 3 large bedrooms plus spacious den, with each bedroom its own private bathroom and convenient half bath. Features abound throughout: kitchen with granite countertops, large counter height island, stainless appliances, 42 inches richwood cabinetry and pantry. Crown molding, tray ceilings, updated touches of paint, lighting, baths and laundry room. Tile on the diagonal throughout with bedroom's new vinyl plank flooring. There is added storage on the lanai, ceiling hung storage racks in garage. A generator electric plug-in installed. The pool and spa have automated smartphone controls. This impeccably maintained home is truly one to get excited about. Hampton Park is a lush lifestyle community with clubhouse, fitness, social room, a resort community pool, barbecue area, tot lot and sports court.